Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Discord to Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings and managing any account connections. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can access your personal account options. Once you are on the Whop homepage, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu where you can find different options related to your profile and account management. If you do not immediately see it, look for your profile image or account icon in that area. After opening the profile menu, click on the settings icon. This will take you into the settings section of your Whop account, where you can adjust preferences and manage linked services. Settings is the place where Whop keeps account level options, so this is the key step for connecting external platforms like Discord. Inside settings, look for the connected accounts section and click on it. This page is specifically designed for linking other services to your Whop account. If you have connected any accounts before, they may already appear here. If not, you should see the available account connection options. Next, find Discord in the list of connected account options and click on it. This starts the connection process between your Whop account and your Discord account. At this stage, Whop will typically begin redirecting you to Discord's authorization flow so the two platforms can be linked securely. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on whether you are already signed into Discord in your browser. You may be asked to log in, review permissions, and approve the connection. Be sure to read each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being requested before continuing. Once you finish the on-screen steps, your Discord account should be connected to Whop. If the connection does not appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or return to the Connected Accounts section to confirm that Discord is now linked. If needed, you can also retry the process from the same area. And that's it. You have successfully gone through the process of connecting Discord to Whop.